Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and I trust that everyone is feeling and doing well. I'm so sorry that it's taken me so long to get a video back up, but just having a little family illnesses and had to take care of those things, which I know everybody understands because everybody has them. But today I just wanted to share with you what we're going to have for dinner today, which is Sunday, December the 14th. And it is about 30 some degrees here. Earlier it was down in the 20s. So I thought I'll fix a big pot of my mom's homemade soup. As you can see, it's simmering. It's got lots of stew meat in it. It has carrots, potatoes, onion, garlic, celery, and any of your favorite seasonings go in here. So I use Tony seasoning and a little sea salt, paprika. And I also use my mom's secret ingredient, which is this VA original 100% vegetable juice. And she uses that in her soup when she used to make it. So that was her secret ingredient. And you can get it in a spicy or the original. And what she would do is half in it, half spicy, half original. But it really makes your soup pop. And I know, see how good that looks. Can't wait. And I made a pan of homemade cornbread, which is on the channel, the recipe. But your soups, you can pretty much just add anything you want once you fix your stew meat. You just cook it, wash it of course first, and then cook your stew meat until it's tender in a pot. And then you add all your liquids. You add your VA soup, not soup, but the juice. Sorry, the juice. You add that once you've added all your other ingredients. So I get about a couple of cans of this Veg-All in here, and she would always put elbow noodles in hers, so I added that just a little bit, not too many, because it'll overpower your soup. So, but you can make this according to the crowd that you're going to feed. So that's why I'm not giving you any measurements, but you do start out with your pound or 2 pounds of stew meat or steak or whatever you want to use in your soup. But I just wanted to get back with you, let you know I hadn't forgot you. I appreciate your support and your continuing comments that you send me. They are so awesome, and they keep me motivated to continue sharing. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you try it. If you do, please let me know what you think and what you added to your homemade soup. And I'll talk to you later because I'm getting ready to fix this bowl of homemade vegetable beef soup. So talk to you later. Love, love. To take advantage of the special price on the Real Kitchen for Real People Family Story Cookbook that is now available on Amazon. So be sure to go out and get that wonderful cookbook. It's a lot of short stories and memories of gatherings around our table, which is a lot of fun to read and enjoy the recipes and poems. So be sure to check out the Real Kitchen for Real People on Amazon to take advantage of this unique family story cookbook.